In this video, you will learn how to get more money in My Perfect Hotel, upgrade your rooms, improve your hotel rooms by adding furniture, TV and comfortable beds. Higher rated rooms will bring higher payments. Expand your hotel, add additional floors or rooms to serve more guests at one time. More rooms means generating a greater profit. Improve service and facilities. Consider adding a restaurant, swim, pool or gym, and this lets you raise prices and makes your hotel more desirable. Serve customers faster, reduce waiting times at check-ins, food service and room service. Happier guests pay faster and leave bigger tips. Boost your advertising. Market your hotel to bring in more tourism. This guarantees a steady flow of payments. Manage your employees. Hire additional staff or train them to work faster. This lets you handle a greater level of customer without losing any quality or service. Watch your expenses. Keep an eye on your expenses, such as salaries, repairs and more, to maximise your profit. Now you know how to make more money in My Perfect Hotel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.